up here for the Serpentine build. Okay. So you're going to take off that cover, and that is there's one screw there and one screw there. All right, so you take the cover off. This bolt right there, there, that's highlighted, right there. I'm touching it with my flashlight right now. That's a 15 mil. You'll put your socket on there, and you'll go in the direction same as if you were tightening something, right? And this brings this pulley inward, right? Your tensioner pulley inward, and you can slip your belt off your crankcase right here. When you're at anything here, you see that sensor right there? That's the two screws are right next to the belt. The teeth of the, you can't see it, no sense. The teeth of the flywheel, well, you can call it a flywheel, some harmonic balancer, whatever. The teeth of that, you know, goes next to the crankcase sensor. Don't mess with that because she won't start, and if she do start, she'll run like poo. So that's pretty simple to taking off the belt. You know, when you get your belt off, turn the pulleys, and if they keep going, and for a long time, then I took them out and greased them. Yeah, I should have videoed that, but you can grease them if you want, or just replace it. Now, I'm just gonna go up top and show you something with the tension. Now, guys, if you want to replace the idler pulley, I'll see if I can highlight it. See that flat idler pulley there? Not the one with the holes, that's power steering, but in farther. It's kind of highlighted. You see that shiny with little specks of rust on it? There's one bolt, but you can take this off. There's a 10 millimeter right here, and just a clip right there you'll push in, and you'll get this out of the way. But what I'm going to show you, if I can, is with that pulley that I'm highlighting right there, the shininess, that's the pulley. What people have you do on videos I've seen is you'll, under the tank that you take off, this overflow tank, you'll undo the motor mount, and you lower the engine or raise it to get the bolt out. You don't have to do that. On this particular model, 2007, there is where the bolt goes in. You can't see it, no sense here. I wish you could, but you know where it is now. There's a slot in the block where once you get this bolt comes right out tight to the frame, right? When you get it tight to the frame, there's a slot where you can slide it horizontally and bring it up. They have it, I think you can see it there. If I can, like, I can see it, but yeah, you see that little slot in the back? You see that? Well, that's what I'm talking about. You'll slide the bolt out, and you don't have to lower the car. You don't have to lower the engine or raise it, right? So, just a little tip there, guys, that I figured out myself. I'm sure not all models have it, but if they don't, then you have to take the engine block, engine mount off, and go from there.